Year 7 Delta question 9. The probability that Billy wins a game of football top trumps is 0.9. The probability that he wins the game of Pop Stars top trumps is 0.4. Part A, complete this tree diagram. So the probability of winning football is 0.9. So the probability of losing at football must be 0.1 because they have to make a whole one. Winning at top trumps for Pop Stars is 0.4, so losing must be 0.6. And at the bottom, losing is 0.6, winning is 0.4. So that is the tree diagram complete. Part B. What is the probability that Billy will win both games? Now, if Billy's going to win both games, we're looking at the probability of winning and then winning again. So we need to multiply along the branches. So we would do 0.9 times 0.4. So the answer would be 0.36. Part C. What is the probability that he will win only one of the games? Now, to win one of the games, there's two combinations that he could follow. He could win the first game and then lose the second game, or he could lose the first game and then win the second game. So we need to work out both of these probabilities and add them together. So the probability of winning then losing, so winning and then losing, is 0.9 times 0.6, that is 0.54. The probability of losing and then winning is 0.1 times 0.4, that would give us 0.04. So when we add those two together, we would get an answer of 0.58. Part D. Using your answers to parts B and C or otherwise, work out the probability that Billy will lose both games. Show your working. Now the quick way of working this out is just to multiply along the branches for losing both games. So if you lost both games, we're going lose and then lose again. So we could do 0.1 times 0.6. So the answer would be 0.06. Now the alternative way is that we've already worked out the other probabilities. So if I just mark them on, win-win was 0.36, win-lose was 0.54, and lose-win was 0.04. Now, if you add those three together, we're going to get 0.94, which means that we've only got 0.06 left to make a whole one, so the last one must be 0.06. So we could have used either of those methods to get the last answer.